Hey guys, how's it going? I know it's been a while since I last uploaded anything. Last week wasn't the best week for me, so I just decided to, take it off. So, yeah, just so you guys know, this video isn't scripted, so it's the reason why you have me break off from time to time. But yes, this video is going to be about blending. So I was talking to someone, I think it was a couple of days ago, and she's like, "Yeah, the video about shading was nice, but then a lot of people did not really get the thing about blending. Blending, yeah, blending." So that's really what this is going to be, and I want it to be as quick as possible, as usual. So I can't erase this, can I? Okay, I'll just close this and open something else, a new file. Yeah, so new layer. Try as much as possible never to work in your background layer. It's horrible. It doesn't let you correct your mistakes when you need to correct them. So first thing we're going to do is fit the canvas to the screen. That is Ctrl+0. And let's choose a color. I wish someone else could choose this, but I just go with something. So the first thing you want to do is lay down the color. At this point, it doesn't really matter what or how exactly you're laying it down. Just put the color down. Don't stress yourself about what it looks like or anything. Okay, I'm not really liking it, but I just said not to stress. Okay. Anyways, yeah, let's get another color. Let's see what a green looks like. Yeah, that here. How to blend this? Okay, so I want to take my brush size down. You don't have to take your brush size down. It's just something that's a preference thing. You can work with it anyways. So for that, I'm going to leave the brush big. You want to pick the color you have on one side. This is one way to do it. You want to pick the color you have on this side. I'm painting to the other one. I'm not painting right now, I'm just showing you what it should be. So to pick a color, you can press I. It switches to the color eyedropper tool or something. Yeah, eyedropper tool. It switches to the eyedropper tool, so you can pick the color that way. And to be sure you have the color you want, you can look at the swatch here. The foreground color has to be what you're picking. So if you pick this one, it changes. If you pick this one, it changes. Or you can stay on your brush tool. You don't have to switch. Just hold Alt. You can see there it shows Alt because I'm holding Alt. Obviously, is what it's showing. Anyways, yeah. Hold Alt and click. Hold Alt and click. You can watch the swatch change, or you can look at the color thing here. I don't know what that thing is called, but yeah, the color thing. Yeah. Yeah, hold Alt, click on it, click, and just paint softly. Please try to keep your pressure sensitivity on so you can paint softly, and just let the color you try to paint the hard edges away, so you have to paint it softly, and most likely have to do that in layers. So I'll do the same for this one. Yeah, I really wanted to keep this as short as possible. The first video I really wanted that to be short, but it turned out not being so short, so this one is, yeah, I'm going to try to keep it short. So you want to pick what you have in between these colors. Now you see it is what we have in the swatch now is neither green nor green. I just said neither green nor green. Neither red nor green. So you want to pick that one and paint it in as well. You want that to spread. I mean, it's almost intuitive when you look at it. I mean, there is no exact way to do this. You can create a whole new, I don't know, style of art doing this. You just really have to practice. Yeah. And this may not look so good right now. I mean, it obviously doesn't look so good. But this is what blending basically is. It's not more than what I'm doing right now. I mean, if you see something that is fully polished, like I don't know, quickly show you guys something. Come on. Took you forever. Uh, yeah, like this maybe. I don't want to go anywhere else. Um, just do this. Come on. I'm not doing anything else, am I? Okay. I shouldn't have done that, right? Okay. Yeah, so something I don't think this one looks so good either, but then yeah, you guys probably get the picture. Yeah, so to get something like that, you definitely have to spend more time with it. So try and finish this one. It's just picking colors, picking colors, picking colors, picking colors. And for practice, it's always nice to use contrasting colors, complementary colors. When I say complementary colors, I mean colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. Yeah, I'll show you just now. Why is everything taking so long today? Okay, well, yeah, so you see where this green is. What would be the complementary color of this one? Would be what is directly opposite that color on the color wheel. So this purple here will be the complementary color of this green, but we're already working on this one, so I just close this for now and try and blend this. Okay. Oh shit, I was pressing the wrong thing. So Alt. Yeah. I keep my hands on the keyboard, so I use shortcuts most of the time. Navigating the screen isn't really my thing. So I don't know if we have a nice blend yet, but I think we're getting there. Something else you can also do that simplifies this is using the smudge tool. I think, yeah, it's called smudge tool. Yes. You see what it does. Well, I don't know. I feel sometimes, I mean, it looks easier, much easier to do, but I feel like it kind of takes away the texture you want to keep. Something like this, what you have here, it kind of takes that texture away sometimes, and that texture is really important sometimes. This leaves this airbrushy look, and there's nothing wrong with the airbrush, but I don't know, some texture is nice sometimes, a lot of the time actually. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. uh, Now it feels awfully short, but thanks for your time. If you made this far in the video, I'm so grateful. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. uh, Please share this video to someone you think may need it. Yeah, the anything else will be in the description. I don't think there needs to be an exercise file for this one, but if there is an update or something, if I change my mind and make an exercise file, then it'll be there in the description. Thank you very much, guys. Till next time. um Actually, I had to make this part after I finished recording, so I'll definitely just add it to the video while I'm editing it. So I'm using this I don't know what the things are called. So sorry. I think it's an add-on or something, or an extension. Yeah, it's probably an extension. Yeah, I'm using the extension to pick the complementary color, so you can switch the thing here. So now I have my complementary scheme on. When I pick a color, it shows me what the complementary color is, so I can just go straight there and paint into the shape. This is only so you guys can actually see me do the thing. I don't think the things I painted in the first part of the video were quite it. So yeah, this one. And I don't edit my videos. I mean, scripting is not really my thing. Just teach you guys off the bat. Everything, yeah. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this part. If you guys can hear that sound, it's because I'm using my tablet. The plastic on plastic sound. Yeah, it annoys me sometimes, but the price we have to pay for drawing digitally with a budget. So basically, you guys just want to kill the hard edges. I mean, hard edges are important sometimes, but sometimes I mean that's really what leaves your drawing looking unblended sometimes, most of the time. So you want to take away the hard edges. Like if you were to be like somewhere on the edge, for example, the edge would be fine to add some light or some, I don't know, some eye-catching effect. But the blend, you need to kill it hard. I still have a few here. Yeah, there you are. Bye. Yeah. So basically, what you guys just really need to do is practice. Practice is like, that is such an ugly brush, but practice. Yeah, practice. It works. You guys just really need to practice. Thank you guys for your time once again.